Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to edit the contact.html file in which I have written the contact us thing. So, before that, let me just give you a briefing on the video and also what we have done before. So, first thing, in the first video, we installed Sublime Text and then we set up our HTML file, made the title, and in the next video, we made this header. Then, in the third video, what we did was we added these links and the links were just empty except the first page which had a marquee tag. Then on the fourth video we added some text to the marquee tag. We added some text in the marquee tag and then we made all the sites look same like the home page, but all the sites do not have the marquee tag and these pictures. So in the fifth video we added these pictures in the home page. Then also we wrote this text. Hope you can see this text here. We added this text in the end. The website is also responsive. As we expand the page, the text is also becoming less. So let's just see if it's responsive. See, whenever I see it's responsive, so it changes according to the user's wish or the user's device size and everything. So now let's edit the contact.html file. I hope you remember that we kept the same text in all the files except the index.html file where we added the marquee tag and the pictures and also some text. So in this, what we need to do, first let's add a link. Let's make a div tag. Then we will add a paragraph. This video only involves HTML. So in the paragraph we will write, hello there. Hope you like our pet shop. In case you forget, you forget In case you forget our pet shop's address, always keep the link of this site with you. Here we have all the addresses and also the telephone number. We have all the addresses. We have the pet shop address, email, telephone number, customer care number. Thank you. So this thing H1 becomes too big, so let's just keep it as H3. H3 will be the best. Now in this div, let's add a class. We have already defined this class before. So let's keep the home page text because home page. So it doesn't matter if this is connected to index.html because this link is present in every site, as you can see this thing. So you can use it here also. Now what we need to do, we'll add another div. Inside this we will add a tag. We'll add first one is an address. This is let me just open Google Maps so that I'll just keep a random address. So let me just keep. I'll take the address of this place. Yes, this is. I'll just keep this link here. Click here for to get our address. Okay. So now we'll add one more AH. This is the telephone number. Telephone number. Click here to call us. So here we'll add a BR tag so that all of them do not merge to BR. I'll just show you one more thing which I have done previously. Yes, this thing CSS, and here, not here. Yes, here. Dot. This is a cities or something. Dot a visited. We can also add these. So let me just add one of these with this. Then how do we connect it? That also is important. The HTML. The first one is about the file one. Here I not here. I think it is this file exactly. Div class. We can give it in div tag. So I'll add that. So what I'll do, I will take these two text, these two things. These four, I think I need them. Let me just keep it me in this side. So here I'll just copy paste them. Instead of cities, I'll keep contacts, contacts, contacts. So now save this. Go to this area. Then div class is equal to contacts. So here, how I just need to search how to add mail in AHF tags. This one, yes. So what we need to do now, I'll try to add the email. I'm not going to give any original email. So here I'm going to give mail to animal underscore kingdom customer care animal kingdom dot customer care@gmail.com. Customer care. Now I'll add one more href tag. Also mail to animal kingdom pet shop @gmail.com. This is main email address. Click here to contact. Click here to mail email address. Mail to customer care. Now let's just copy paste this BR tags here. So let's just check our website now. Contact us. See this. This has come, as you know. Now after this hello there, let's just add a BR tag. This will add a BR. Now let's reload. Instead of this, let's make it in capitals. Now it's fine. See, click here to call us. You are calling this thing. I don't know why is this not coming. Let me just change them all to blue. So now our website will look fine. And let's see if it works. And we can also add some extra things like make this target equal to underscore blank. This will open a new web page. So here you can add this everywhere except for the phone call thing. See, it's opening new page. It's opening Outlook call banking. So this is for the video. Thank you guys. Let's see in the next video.